Now to do a cabin filter on this G35, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver and a new filter, obviously. Now, first things first, let's remove this right here. You gotta remove this trim piece. You can use your hand, or if you have a flathead, remove this grommet. And there's a screw right here. I don't know if you can see it right there. You have to spin off, just screw it off, and you gotta remove this side piece. Just like that, okay? These stuff get broken sometimes. So this one stay on there. That's what happens. Sometimes these come out. We're gonna reuse this top one because this one can't go. Now since we're down here already, let's take the screw off here. And the other side, same thing. Open the glove box. Remove whatever you have in here. And the screws here. All these 4 screws here. On top. Last one. Alright. Now, be careful. There's some wiring. Just snap it down. Be careful. Okay, there you go. Alright. I just let it hang because there's no need to take it all off. Alright, now. This is your cabin filter right here. That's where it's at. There's wiring kind of in the way, but you'll be alright. Now, let's move the tab over here. Let's push it up. There you go. Pull it out. Ooh. See the old filter in there? As you see, look, there's a Nissan filter in here. Nothing special. See the Nissan filter? Look like they never changed it. Okay, let's take this out. Oh, I might take this out the way because it's in the way. So unplug this. Let's pull this back. And look at this. Oh, it is black. Like they never ever changed it. Not that many people know about these filters that they have to change. They know the one in the engine, but not this one. So look at this. Oh, look at this. Damn. Anyways, throw it out. Now get your new one. If you want a scent, if your car stinks or you need a scent, just put an air freshener on top. I'm not doing that because the car don't stink. Now this arrow face down. Let's put it in there, like so. Now let's put the cap back on there. Slide it in, just like that. Now plug your connectors back. That goes here. Airbag. This goes right here. Alright, now let's put this up. Screws back. All the screws. Make sure everything's all lined up. I like putting the top right and left first so it holds up. Put far, left and right. Then take this one like this. Close it. Last two at the bottom. This thing fell, so all you gotta do is put it back up. These things right here. And just put it up. Okay, should click. Don't forget your side piece over here. Put it in. Line it up. It's in the hole here. This one can't go back, like I said. And spin this back on, screw it back clockwise. Okay, put the grommet back first. Okay, and this. That's it. That is all. Later. Oh yeah, don't forget to put your stuff back.